Hey there, this is Todd with Industrial Comfort. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this razor handle for your Gillette razors. Turning one of these razor handles is identical to making a pen on your lathe. It's also a great introduction to wood turning if you're a novice. The only thing you need is a rough and gouge. You'll need a barrel trimmer or some way to get a flush cut on the top of the blank once you put the brass tube in, which will serve as the insert for the razor handle. You want to make sure that you've got the bushings. This is probably the most important point behind the drill bit, because the bushings will tell you exactly what diameter you're going to turn the handle. And then the drill bit is going to be a 7mm, which will accommodate this brass tube that you're going to put into the blank. Now, why they do it in millimeters is beyond me. I don't know why these things just can't be standard, but make sure that you've got a drill press that will have a long enough throw so that you can drill through something like this, which is going to be probably longer than your standard 2.5-inch throw on a desktop drill press. So we're going to go ahead, I'm going to drill this out, we're going to glue in the tube. The other important thing to note is that for some reason, this is one of the very few kits that does not have the brass barrel scuffed or pre-scuffed. So make sure that you scuff it with a piece of sandpaper like this. The lower the grit, the better. So we'll glue this tube in, stick it on the lathe, we'll rough it out, then we'll sand it down, put some CA glue on it, polish it, then we'll assemble the razor handle. As a final step, I like to apply some translucent silicone to the ends of the barrel. This way it prevents water from getting in and damaging the wood. It also provides for a better seal when we assemble the razor handle.